Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Kushwaha and I am from 3rd semester of Applied Economics Department. Criticism of Fisher's quantity theory of money. First, unrealistic assumption. The quantity theory of money are based on many unrealistic assumptions. According to this theory, T volume of transaction, V velocity of money is constant, which in actual world are not. Another is there is full employment in economy, which is also an unrealistic assumption. Second, money as store value ignored. The quantity theory of money consider money only as the medium of exchange and ignore another functions as a store of value, unit of value and purpose and speculative purpose. Third, simple prism. The quantity theory of money tells usual thing that demand for money is equal to supply of money and nothing new. Fourth, ignore the non-economic factor affecting price. This theory only considered money supply price effect, but there is also many another non-economic factor which also affects the price like change in technology, consumption preferences, etc. Fifth, static theory, no time lag. The quantity theory of money tells if money supply increases, the price also increases, but it did not tell how much time it will take or what will be the process to increase. Sixth, ignore the effect of rate of interest. Fisher tells about the money supply and the price has a direct relationship, but the rate of interest, which is also a main function, Fisher did not tell about it and ignored. And the last is measurement of velocity is impossible.